So in this session, I'm going to take an ad hoc approach to fix all the UI bugs that we have right now in front of us. So what I will do is turn on the dictation tool. There are several problems that I would like to address all at once, and please do some task management using your internal task list. Do not use Taskmaster for this one because it's an ad hoc one-time changes that I would like to do. What you need to do is the very first thing is, since we have only light mode, just by default show the light mode regardless of the system color theme. It should always show light mode because in light mode the colors look nice, and I don't want to get into the complications of light mode, dark mode for the time being. So do not remove the theme that you have put in place. Just put the default theme as light mode and don't put any toggle buttons for light mode, dark mode at all. There's another issue when I drag and drop a card. The status is updated in the database, but the card goes back on the column where it belongs to. And if I refresh the page, then it works. It shows the card in the right column, but it doesn't update it in real time. The expected outcome is that when I drag and drop, the card should be automatically placed in the right column immediately, and also the database entry should happen. Additionally, I should have an edit feature in all the details of the tab whenever I want to change some contact information, some lead source, the notes. All of them should be editable. I should have an edit feature for all of them. And one last thing, try to seed calls, emails, evaluations, and comments for all the cards that we have currently in place. We don't need to make it very complicated. Every single one of them should have like 1 or 2 calls, 1 and 2 emails, and a few comments. Try to simulate that for all of those records that you have in place. All right, I think that's going to be a long enough, good enough prompt. I hope this prompt will work, and we'll see each other in a minute. All right, so moment of truth. So many prompts went in one go, and let's see if it got it all right or not. So we're gonna turn the dark theme on my system. Let's go dark. And there we go. The first prompt was good. The second prompt, making these things editable. I can see edit button there. And I can edit things here. Robert Kim, ABC. I can see the change there on the card, but not here. There's a small error, or at least a state update, I would say. But at least it's going to the database. That's good. All the fields are now editable. There is a small UI bug that is white. It's just the theming issues. I'm adding 111. I expect here to see the 111. Perfect. The update here is not working. Obviously, the timeline can be changed because that's just the timestamps. That's perfectly fine. The lead source can be changed and referral. There we go. And obviously, this can be changed. Wonderful. Wonderful. Perfect. Like literally those were changed. Now this is the big point. I'm going to move Robert Kim ABC to appointment booked. And if I release it works, I'm super happy because this setup of vibe coding is amazing. And there we go. Damn. This worked. This is cool. This is like literally, I have been vibe coding for 7-8 months intensively, and using AI assisted development for 2.5 years. This particular setup with Cursor, Claude Code, and Taskmaster is amazing. The outcome is really, really cool. I'm super happy. Let's go on and keep building the next features. See you in the next video.